into my eyes.
Okay, so this lesson we are going to talk to a lot more of the beginner drummers, and this will be the very first time you've probably decided to venture out into the toms. So to a lot of you who are watching this is a really beginner video. It's going to show you how to venture away from the comfort zone of the bass, snare, and hi-hat into the area of the rolls. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to talk about two specific drum rolls that you can play to help you venture out into this area. Now, right now, we're going to concentrate on the snare, toms, and the first three toms. Now that doesn't mean you have to play on these first three toms, or any of the toms over here or whatever. You can keep it all on the snare if you want. But we're trying to help you venture out into this area. But remember, I'm not telling you only hit these toms. You hit whatever you want to. Just fit within these hits. Alright, in this drum roll there's going to be 16 hits. As a 16th note, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 16 hits, and we're dividing those hits up into fours. 4 on the snare, 4 on the first tom, 4 on the second tom, and 4 on the third tom. And it's going to sound like this. Okay? It may sound difficult to you, and it might be difficult to you, but when you get it down pat, you're never going to think about it again. All it is just a right left pattern. 1 2 1 2 on the snare, 1 2 1 2 on the toms, 1 2 1 2 on another tom, 1 2 1 2 on another tom, and there you go. That's your drum roll. When you're playing this, I understand you're probably going to hit the rims, especially when you're venturing out over here and you've never really played over here before. You're going to smack the rims. I remember when I first learned these rolls, it scared me to death. I wanted to stay over in this comfort zone of bass, snare, and hi-hat because I'd learned that and I was comfortable with that. And I didn't want to venture over to the roll area because I'd smack the rims and all that. That's normal, completely normal. So that's what we're doing in this lesson, is we're working on familiarizing yourself with these toms. So when you put it into a beat, it's going to sound like this. Be sure to practice this at a very slow pace at first, because I know, just like any other drummer, we want to rush right into it and learn exactly how fast we can go, and you're just going to be sloppy. So start slow and play it clean, and then you can work your way, into the faster areas. Okay, so now we're going to work on taking one beat off of each 4 intervals. It's going to be 3 hits instead of 4. There's still going to be 4 counts, meaning it's going to be 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, but you're going to only be playing 3 of each 4. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. The 4 is there, but it's silent, so that we still stay within the same time frame, like the same, as we talked about before with time signatures, the same ice tray. That's what we're going to be doing, is staying within that same time measure, but taking a 4th beat out. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to show it to you in a drum beat now. Okay, do you notice how there was a pause in between each? That was the 4 that we took out. And you just count it in your head and make it fit, and it's going to fit right back into your drum beat. And like I said before, this is a beginner video, and for you beginners that are learning to venture out into the drum set and use your toms more, congratulations. You have now left the dry dock and you are now in the open seas. But anyways, like I said, be adventurous with this. Don't just do what I said. Continue to work with these different drum rolls and venture off into whatever kind of different drum heads and toms that you may have. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I'm always here to answer your silliest and craziest of questions. Even if you think they're crazy, they're probably not crazy. They're not crazy. You're not crazy! And I will be more than happy to get back to you as quickly as possible. Thank you very much.